Free spins are a great way to make some extra money completely risk-free, but only if you know what you're doing. You've probably seen a million free spins offers over the years. 50 free spins, 100 free spins, 200 free spins. These generous bonuses are massively popular and have been drawing new players in since the dawn of online casinos. But even with so many spins, the truth is most people simply aren't using them right. Before you claim a free spins deal, you need to make sure you know what they are, how to spot a good deal, and what pitfalls you want to avoid so you can get the best chance at claiming a tidy profit for yourself. We're going to run through all this and more in the next few minutes so that you're fully equipped the next time you click that claim bonus button. So let's get straight into it. What are free spins? These popular bonuses let you play slot games entirely for free. Each spin is worth a small amount of money, usually 10 cents or so, and you can use them to make real money wagers on popular slot games. And yes, that means that if you win using a free spin, you can win real money without spending a dime. However, bear in mind that free spins aren't quite the same as free money. Sure, you can win real money by playing with free spins, but it isn't just withdrawable cash. You need to play with your spins and play with them a lot before you can claim anything from them. Not to mention, they aren't a free pass to play any slot game for free. Free spins are usually limited to just one game or sometimes a handful when you're lucky. These games are usually popular and highly rated, so you won't be wasting your time by playing them. But free spins offer a curated experience, not a blank check. While there are a number of limitations about how and where you can use your free spins, they're still a beloved casino promo thanks to how simple and fun they are. Even a complete beginner can log in and enjoy some risk-free gaming. But what about the casinos themselves? Free spins sound like casinos are practically throwing away money, and yet they can offer hundreds of free spins at once. How can this possibly be profitable? Well, it's the same with all bonuses. It's a numbers game. Online casinos know that a flashy, claim 200 free spins bonus is going to bring thousands of customers, and free spins aren't just effective, they're also cheap. Thanks to the terms and conditions, which we'll get into in a moment, it can be really difficult to win money from free spins. So for every one person who gets lucky and wins big using the bonus, hundreds more have signed up and cost the casino nothing. So now that you know online casinos have a clear advantage over the players, is there a way we can get a step ahead and increase our odds? When it comes to bonuses and tricky terms and conditions, knowledge is power. There are a few key parts of the terms and conditions that you need to know about and understand. Once you grasp these, you'll be able to understand the inherent value of a free spin bonus at a glance. But before we dive into that, you should know that I've already done the hard work for you. I've handpicked the top casinos offering the best free spin deals around the world. Just use the link in the description to find the best option based on your location and preferences. The first and most important term you need to understand for any bonus, not just free spins, is the wagering requirements. This is a really complicated topic and could easily take up its own video to explain in full, but for our purposes, we'll keep it simple. The wagering requirements, or a bonus playthrough, is the number of times you need to bet the value of a bonus before you can withdraw any winnings from it. And unfortunately, free spins are a little trickier to figure out than most bonuses. So let's lay out a quick example to show you how it works. First, you need to use the free spins. Unlike regular deposit bonuses, the wagering requirements for free spins are based on what you win from the initial spin tokens. So let's be generous and say that after receiving 50 free spins, you won $10, just to keep the numbers simple. Now, for this $10 bonus, let's say the wagering requirements are 20 times. This means that you need to wager a grand total of $200 before you can claim any winnings. This sounds pretty bad, but I'm afraid it gets worse. While 20 times is a normal playthrough for your average bonus, free spins are notorious for how high their wagering can climb. At most casinos, free spins have wagering requirements somewhere around 40 times, and I've seen them get even higher than that, up to 60, even 100 times wagering requirements. And to top it off, many free spins offers, especially no deposit ones, have a second catch, a maximum cash out limit. This is a hard cap on what you can withdraw from your free spins winnings, no matter how much you actually win. So even if you hit the jackpot, complete the wagering and have $500 sitting in your account, if the max cash out is $50, then $50 is all you'll get. It goes without saying that the combination of high wagering and a low cash out cap is what makes free spins such a cheap and low risk offer for online casinos. So to secure yourself the best odds, you need to look for a deal with the smallest wagering requirements and the highest maximum cash out possible. Which brings us to the next key, compatible games. As I touched on earlier, free spins can only be used on one or a handful of specific games. While I would recommend that you take a chance on games you aren't familiar with, it can pay to be picky with the games you choose. Where possible, only accept free spins that work on a game with a high return to player or low volatility. This is another complex topic that will get its own video in the future, but for now, just understand that it's a similar idea to the house edge. The higher a game's RTP, the better the average payout. So if you aim to claim free spins for games with high RTP scores and low volatility, you can increase your odds of meeting the wagering requirements. By understanding these two core parts of the terms and conditions, you won't fall for the common tricks online casinos use to increase their profit margins. Knowledge is power, because by understanding the terms and conditions, you know exactly what you're signing up for. Now that we're done with the technical talk, I want to address a question that many people have about free spins, especially beginners. Are they worth it? With all these complicated rules and stipulations and no guarantee you'll even win anything from them, why bother? This is a great question to have, but ultimately it's going to come down to one thing. What do you value from a bonus? If you're accepting any casino bonus with the intention of making money, you're usually going to be disappointed. Online casino bonuses do give the chance to win some extra cash, but first and foremost, they should be a way to enjoy some risk-free casino fun. Free spins are particularly good for beginners because they introduce you to popular games, let you play without risking any money, and might even lead to a surprise profit. It's the perfect introduction to the world of online gambling, and for experienced players, free spins can be a pleasant way to start off a longer session. So no, free spins aren't the best way to make money, but they're a chance to, and at the end of the day, even if you don't make any money, you'll have had some free exciting entertainment. The key to the value of free spins is to enjoy them as an activity, and if you do make a profit, it's a nice bonus. Save your strategies and big stake plays for the high skill table games. To wrap things up, you now have the tools to gain a real advantage the next time you claim a free spin bonus. By knowing how to calculate the true value of your bonus and opting for high RTP games, you're putting yourself ahead of 90% of other players. But knowing is only half the battle, as finding a solid free spins bonus can take hours of research. However, I've already done the hard work for you. Take our quick 30-second quiz in the description to find the best casino bonus available in your region. While you're down there, don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you'd like to learn how to make some free money whilst playing table games, check out this video next.